Step into a world where colossal machines and modern technology achieve the impossible. From hauling hundreds of tons of steel and navigating narrow roads to breathtaking demolitions and daring rescues, every moment reveals the raw power, precision, and wonder of engineering. It was a breathtaking moment when the excavator lost balance while unloading from the trailer. A single wrong move could have toppled the massive machine, but fortunately, the operator managed it with absolute calm and precision. Imagine a mobile fortress. The 1,000-ton Liebherr RL1000 crane gliding forward, not on rails, but atop a 12-axle SPMT. Each movement is the result of complex engineering calculations, turning this massive block of steel into a mechanical ballet, powerful yet astonishingly smooth. An 80-kilometer journey proved no simple task as the massive Liebherr 974 excavator was hauled on a Goldhofer hydraulic trailer with a manned tractor. Executed by Fasulous heavy transports, every obstacle from low bridges to narrow roads was managed with precision. Truly, hats off to this highly professional team. Watch the recovery of a stranded excavator, a task that seems simple but truly demands precision, experience, and seamless teamwork. With the Hyundai's powerful pull and the supervisor's agile guidance, every step was handled carefully to free the machine. This rescue was a showcase of technical skill and professionalism in every movement. The silo demolition at Dutchman Creek Dairy began with an excavator hammering at key points. Moments later, another excavator delivered the final push, bringing the structure down safely in a breathtaking yet thrilling scene. In just a moment of carelessness, the D7G bulldozer slipped off the trailer and overturned. But the mighty Cat D7E48A quickly arrived, securing chains and slowly pulling it back into place. Once again, these colossal machines proved that nothing is impossible. The Scania S6650 V8, with its immense torque, effortlessly tows a broken-down truck even in tight spaces. With powerful low-end traction and precise steering, the operator can maneuver the entire rig safely without damaging the trailer. It is truly a symphony of steel engineering and patience.